Hello, Mr. Richards. Wanted to show you the progress on assembling your engine. So we've got the starter was rebuilt, it's on. Generator was rebuilt, it's on. Water pump, we changed out the impeller in that. That's called a minor rebuild. So that's done. Of course, we've got the block all painted as well. There is a pulley up here that's broken that we have ordered a new one, a replacement for. That's what drives that pulley here down here drives the generator and the water pump. We have rebuilt the fuel pump, so that's right here, and now we've got to hook it up to the carburetors. The carburetors, if I recall, they were already rebuilt. So we started to rebuild them. We started to buy kits and realized that, oh no, these have been rebuilt. So let me know if I'm wrong about that, but I don't think I am. So this is getting close to being put together to be put back in. We've got to do our water connections next, and once we have the water connections done, we'll run it, and then we have an electronic ignition coming for the distributor. So we'll be putting the distributor in. It was all rusty on the inside, so we'll clean all that out, clean it all up, and replace the guts with an electronic ignition. So anyway, that's where we are on your project, and you're in good shape on the dollars right now, I believe. I will check that, but I think you're in good shape, and we'll talk to you soon.